Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have a Bombay and Cedar beauty box, so let's get into it. Check it out. This box was sent to me for review, so I want to thank Bombay and Cedar for sending it over. Because we reviewed on the channel, they give us a discount code, Kathrin10. I will put it below and it will get you 10% off your first subscription. Let's dig right in. Bombay and Cedar Beauty does cruelty-free beauty. So right off the bat, fantastic. In each box, you will get $120+ in value. You take the paper out. That is what it looks like. It's in a nice little bag. Oh, something that wouldn't fit in the bag. That's exciting. If you pay monthly, it is $34.95, and then as you pay it out over time, it actually becomes less. If you do 3 months, it drops to $33.95. $1 each way. 6 months, $32.95, 12 months, $31.95. And it will be a mix of well-known and indie brands. The back of the paperwork, I'm sure tells us, tells us what's inside, so we won't look at that yet. And on the outside of the bag, let's start with this. We have the, I'm gonna say kinder because it's just missing the vowels, hand set. And it's luxury hand sanitizer and soothing hand balm. I can get 100% behind that. I use a lot of hand sanitizer. The paperwork says luxury hand set. Pamper your hands with this gift set. The set includes luxury FDA approved alcohol-based hand sanitizer and hand balm, and it has a $25.50 value. Let's get into it and give it a sniff. It says it is vegan, non-paraben, no mineral oil, and cruelty-free. But like I said, everything in their box will be cruelty-free. This is what it looks like. This is the sanitizer and this is the balm. Let's try the sanitizer first. Oh, we'll just try a little bit here. Oh, as you guys might have guessed, alcohol. See what it dries down to, and then we'll try the hand cream. I love that it's pink. That will be very pretty in my purse. What does it say? It is 62% alcohol. And then this is the Be Kinder to Yourself Luxury Hand Balm. This is 2 fluid ounces. We'll try just a little bit of this. That is what it looks like. Is that lilac? It would make sense because it's not a very purple bottle. No, maybe. You know, sometimes it's hard to commit. Floral. Let's see what it says. Then I won't have to guess and embarrass myself by continuing to say lilac. Pamper your hands with Kinder Luxury Hand Balm. The shea butter enriched formula nourishes and soothes without leaving your skin feeling oily or sticky. Can't help us, guys. It just says a fragrance. But I would say floral. And I would say lilac. So if you're here to know what I would say, I would say floral and lilac. So our first product is a hand sanitizer and then a hand balm. And look at me, I very cleverly put it back in the box. I have no idea why. Okay, let's get into this bag full of goodies. It feels like there's a palette down here when I'm holding it, so I'm going to leave that on the bottom. We'll do that last. We have a Dr. Botanicals Cocoa Noir Time Reverse Facial Serum, a refined blend of ingredients full of nutrients. That is what that looks like in the box. It just says facial serum, and that is what it is out of the box. Technically nothing in it I can't use, and I do love serums. So this is that is the Cocoa Noir Time Reverse Facial Serum. That sound is what you would call speechless. This is 0.51 fluid ounces, half a fluid ounces, $149. I have never seen a Dr. Botanicals product anywhere near that price. Have you guys? This serum has been formulated to ensure the complexion is left youthful and nourished. A refined blend of botanical actives work to turn back the hands of time, as well they should, by improving skin health and appearance. Crackers and cheese, $149. Wow, this is like a $10 drop. Oh, it's absorbing. I know, I said that like, what the what? I expected it to be, you know, when you get these little bottles with droppers, your brain processes it as an oil. My brain processes it as an oil. Oh, that smells good. It is not an oil. It absorbed like I had done water in my hand. Okay, well, I have to tell you, $149. I'm trying it. It says discontinue use if redness occurs. Do not ingest. Do not get it in your eyes. We recommend you carry out a patch test before application. Oh boy. So if you have tried this, Dr. Botanicals Cocoa Noir Time Reverse Serum, how about letting me know? Did you have any issues with it? Do you have sensitive skin? I would like to know all of the information, because for $149, technically no ingredients that I cannot use. I really want to. Ingredients on the side that it talks about most are the geranium flower oil, sea buckthorn oil, and neroli oil. Okay, if I don't hear from one of you guys like, no, don't do it, I'm gonna go ahead and give that a try. Next out of the bag, we have Canelli Green Tea Botanical Eye Cream. That is what that looks like. It is 1 ounce, and the paperwork says, this eye cream contains green tea extract known for its antioxidant properties. By protecting cells from free radical damage, green tea can help keep the skin around your eyes looking youthful and healthy, and it has a $34 value. I'm using, and I'm just going to keep saying it, because I know I'm an affiliate. We should have a talk one day about the things that I am an affiliate with, and to let you guys know that I get a lot of offers that I turn down. So when I show you something, especially if I'm an affiliate with it, you guys need to know that I have tried it and I love it. And I am using, this is probably not the time, but I am using an eye cream that I love from City Beauty that I think is actually making my under eye circles better. This has almost no scent. The ingredients list was really short, and I do like that in an ingredients list. It's just purified water, emulsifying wax, stearic acid, avocado oil, green tea extract, vegetable glycerin, vitamin E, and then a couple of, you know, they always put a couple preservatives in it. But, ooh, this is nice and creamy. Very little to no scent. It feels super nice. I like the feel of that a lot. Okay, and 1 ounce, that's a really good sized eye cream. A lot of the times eye creams are only half an ounce. Okay, just for the record, this is the August beauty box, and it says hydrate up here, so I guess the theme is hydrate, so that makes sense. We have hand cream, a face serum, and an eye cream so far. Next out, we have, ooh, isn't this cute? Does it hydrate my insides? No, don't drink this. That was a joke. Don't drink this. It is Blend Cream Paris. It's difficult to read. What does it say? You know what? I'm gonna read it off of the paperwork. How cute is this? It is dry oil, a multifunctional oil for face, body, or hair treatment, formula enriched with buriti, sesame, sweet almond oil, and mango butter to nourish. It has a $14 value. Well, I love the way this looks. It is made in France, so we know it is fancy. It says dry oil with nourishing mango. Apply on dry skin. Massage until complete penetration. Avoid the eye area. Let's read about what's in it. Bingo, we have a winner. I can use it. It is filled, can you guys tell? I mean, it is filled to the tippity. So I'm just gonna do that. We'll just do that. And it's just an oil on my finger. I'm actually gonna put it on the inside of my hand because I have now through this box put so much on the outside, and it is making my palm look completely nourished. Oh, a mango. Sometimes I'm like, I'm just not sure what it smells like. Mango. This just smells like mango. Oh, perfect for right here at the end of summer. Oh my gosh, I can imagine this. Oh, it's absorbing nicely. It's leaving my hand with a little sheen on it, but it doesn't feel greasy. I mean, it's an oil, but it's absorbing nicely. Oh yeah, I'll be trying this because that is stinking. Can you guys, It is adorable. So cute. I am digging this Hydrate box. Okay, last out, I said it felt like a palette. We have, it's from Base Blue. I love Base Blue. I wish they did more things. They have a really limited amount of products that they do. They did the Vermeer palette that was, anyway. This is a Base Blue palette. Oh, it's that Tulip one. I saw this and actually thought about getting it and didn't. How fun is that? Look, it looks like a bouquet of differently colored tulips. So stinking cute. What does this say? Flower and Eyeshadow and Blush by Base Blue Cosmetics. The Flower Eyeshadow and Blush palette is a collection of 5 high-performance eyeshadows and 5 blushes. Okay, I think I can work that out. From warm nude tone to bright colorful red, this flower eyeshadow and blush palette is perfect for everyday looks, and it has a $42 value. Well, if we're going to assume, what are we going to assume, guys? Does it tell me? Are they numbered? They're not numbered. It implies on the back they have numbers. Oh, I found a guide. There are numbers on this, and then down here in the writing, it tells us. Okay, let me see if I can do this. 1, 2, 6, 7, and 8 are blush. So 1, 2, that can't be right. It says it is. That can't, okay. 6 is purple, but it's listed as a blush. Good I read it because I wouldn't have guessed that. 7, okay, I accept that. And 8, this. Okay, I accept that too. This bright purple is a blush. That has to be a typo, right? Okay, and then it says that the eyeshadows are 3, 4, 5, 9, and 10. So 3, 4, 5, which is that nice gold, and then 9, 9, and 10. So the, oh, I just put my nail deeply into that blue. 9 and 10. I am pretty much on board with that, but if I had been forced to guess, my eyeshadows would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I probably would have gone with the gold. Although for some people it could be a blush, for me it wouldn't. So I would have gone basically this half eyeshadows, this portion blushes. Here's the takeaway. You can use them wherever in the world you would like to use them. You know what? Let's swatch some of them. Let's go ahead and swatch this. So creamy. That is the blue. I just put my finger in, and here's the purple. They feel just a skosh. Dry isn't the word. Fuzzy. Oh, just those two. So just the glittery ones. This is, look how gorgeous that is. The matte is gorgeous. You see I'm drawn right to what I thought were the eyeshadows. Those are, I love that. Those are definitely everyday eyeshadows. And then some of these that they said were the blushes, the light pink, the dark pink. Let's do a couple of these rustier colors. So that's what those look like. I'm gonna actually dip into the light pink again because it's really difficult to see. It's gorgeous though. On my eye, because I am so light, I will have to add more layers, but if you have a darker skin tone than me, it's probably gonna be a gorgeous light pink. These are really pretty. Those are the 4 colors that I just, so I don't know which 2 in this palette I left out, but I did 8 of 10. Those are so pretty. And I can see how there could be somebody out there that would choose any of these as a blush. They're really pretty. I like them a lot. Like I said, I always love the Base Blue Cosmetics. There's just something about their packaging and their formula that I like. Okay, so that was the August Bombay and Cedar Beauty Box. Its theme was hydrate, so we had really 4 hydrating products, and then we also got an eyeshadow palette. It says the value of the box is guaranteed to be over $120, but this box was between $258.50 to $64.50 because I received this dry oil, but you also could have received a Mint Remedy lip balm from Be True Essentials, and there was a $6 difference between those two. So any way you look at it, this box, and let's be frank, a lot of it was resting on this Dr. Botanicals serum. So we received in this box the Kinder hand set with the sanitizer and hand cream, this gorgeous base blue eyeshadow slash blush palette, this really cool blend cream mango scented body oil, which 100% smells like mango, the Dr. Botanicals facial serum that's going to reverse time, and the Canelli eye cream. And I think this brand is actually a Bombay and Cedar brand. So this box is $34.95 if you do it month over month. I will put the link and the code below. If you have any interest, you can sign up there. And thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here and come and see what's in these boxes with me. It's so much fun to see how different they can make all the boxes. And I appreciate you taking the time to do it with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you really soon. Bye guys.